Looking for an Ethernet cable that delivers fast, stable connections and stands the test of time? The Rosewill Cat7 S STP patch cable is designed to meet those needs with its superior shielding and durable build. Whether you're upgrading your home network or setting up a new office, this cable promises reliable performance with minimal interference. What sets this cable apart is its screen-shielded twisted pair STP design, which effectively blocks external electromagnetic interference (EMI). This means your data signals stay clean and strong, ensuring smooth streaming, gaming, or file transfers without unexpected drops or slowdowns. Plus, the gold-plated connectors provide a secure, corrosion-resistant link for consistent speed. I've tested this cable in various setups, and the difference is clear. Compared to standard Cat5e or Cat6 cables, the Cat7's thicker insulation and reinforced connectors offer enhanced durability. The metal casing around the ends protects the connection points, which are often the weakest spots in cheaper cables. Just keep in mind that the connectors don't bend much, so plan your setup accordingly. The bright red jacket isn't just for looks, it helps you easily identify and organize your cables, especially in complex network environments. Its rugged flexibility makes installation straightforward, and the cable's strain relief feature prevents the RJ45 connector from bending sharply, reducing wear and tear over time. One of the biggest frustrations with Ethernet cables is snagging during installation. Rosewill's snagless design eliminates that hassle, letting you pull the cable through tight spaces without worrying about damage or interruptions. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference when running cables across rooms or behind furniture. Many users across the U.S. have praised this cable for its quality and reliability. While some say Cat7 might be more than they currently need, investing in this cable means future-proofing your network. As more devices demand higher bandwidth, having a cable that supports top-tier data transmission rates ensures you won't have to upgrade again anytime soon. If you're ready to upgrade your network with a cable that offers both performance and durability, the Rosewill Cat7 S STP patch cable is worth considering. It's compatible with Cat5e, Cat6, and Cat6a standards, making it a versatile choice for various setups. Plus, the thoughtful design features make installation and long-term use hassle-free. Take the step toward a faster, more reliable network. If that's you, try the Rosewill Cat7 S STP cable when you're ready and experience the difference a high-quality Ethernet cable can make.